This tutorial has been created for organizations, patrons that wish to use Kite to help learners transfer and apply newly learned capabilities in the workplace. There are separate tutorials for learners, trainers, and managers using Kite. This tutorial has the following chapters: Sign up, Profile, Events, Getting the Best from Kite, Evaluation. To register your organization as a patron of the Kite Foundation, visit www.i-kite.com and click on Become a Patron. If you are already a patron, click on Log In and type in your details. The information you enter into your profile will enable Kite to provide you with benchmark data so that you can compare your rates of learning transfer with those achieved by similar organizations. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be presented with a username which you will need to log in the future. If there are a number of business units in your organization and you want to keep them separate but retain the convenience of a single account, click on Create Sub-Account Plus. If the details for the sub-account are largely the same as your original sign-up details, you can save a little time by clicking Use Main Details. Only patrons can set up a sub-account. Users in sub-accounts may access all the features shown in this tutorial, but not set up sub-accounts. Use the Select Account/Sub-Account feature if you want to toggle between different sub-accounts. This will allow you to access the results and event history functions for individual sub-accounts. To add users to an individual patron account, click Edit on the Profile page and use the Add New User feature. You can deactivate users by clicking Edit and then clicking on the green circle. A 9-month Kite user license costs just £10 for each learner. You will only be invoiced when your learners start to use Kite. However, you must provide your payment details and tell us whether you wish to pay by invoice or direct debit during sign-up. Click Payment Tariff for more details. Take a few moments to check the information in your profile, which you can edit at any time. If you upload your company logo, it will appear on screen when your learners and their managers use Kite. When you select events, you can either create a new event or review details of events that you have previously created. The clone function in History can help you save time when creating new events. Use the actual name of the event that is running wherever possible. Kite will then use this name when contacting learners and their managers and when compiling evaluation reports. You can easily create multiple events if the only variation in their details is the start date. Select the event start date using the pop-up calendar. The name and job title of the program sponsor will be included in the footer of every communication that Kite sends to learners, their managers, and colleagues. You can see the complete capability directory by visiting Getting the Best from Kite. Select Transfer Goals for your events by either clicking on Capability Plus or use Search. When you select the capability that you consider to be the best fit for your event, you will be shown a short list of transfer goals. When they have completed their learning event, learners will select a primary goal from this list. They may also select an optional second goal. Click Save and Continue to indicate that you want to use this list of goals for your event. The Kite Foundation is the default setting as your partner charity. If you wish to nominate another organization as your partner charity, type in its details or use Search. Customize Kite with the logo of your partner charity. Provide some information about your partner charity to inspire your learners and their managers. When you have completed the event setup, you will be shown an event code. Make a note of the code. Your learners will not be able to access Kite without it. Most organizations choose to give event codes to the relevant trainers so they can pass them on to learners at the end of the learning event. You can find a record of all your event codes in Event History on the Events tab. Getting the Best from Kite contains downloadable documents that you may find helpful when you are preparing for an event or briefing others. These resources are organized by user group: patrons, learners, managers, trainers. To access an item, simply click on the relevant document. When learners and their managers use Kite, they will have access to a function called Useful Stuff. You can make any of the materials and getting the best from Kite or your own supplementary training materials available to them in Useful Stuff by clicking the Upload button. Kite provides a wealth of learning transfer metrics, enabling patrons to review and download 7 analyses. For more information about Kite and the Kite Foundation, including additional tutorials for learners, managers, and trainers, please visit www.kite-foundation.com.